Hi everyone, welcome to the second day of your 21 days practice. So let's take a seat. Let's find a comfortable seated position. So again, sitting on a cushion, sitting on a mat, sitting on the grass if you're outside. And first let's find opening in our body. So we find grounding through the sitting bones, connecting to the earth below. We open our chest to receive. We open our lungs. We relax our face, relaxing the shoulders. And then we start by taking long and deep inhales and exhales. With each inhale I receive. With each exhale I give. And as well as giving, I let go. Letting go is an art that we are learning every day. So through my breath, I let go of my thoughts, of this shattering of the mind. And with my inhale, I bring my consciousness to my breath. I bring my attention. I direct my attention to my breath. So in yogic traditions, we say that the breath, the control of the breath, is the control of the mind. So we take a full inhale and we're gonna exhale through the mouth 3 times. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling. 2 times inhaling. Exhale. 1 more time inhaling. And exhaling. And now I'm here fully present. We're gonna start practicing again today the alternate breathing technique. It is a good introduction to the breath. So we take 2 fingers again in the middle of the forehead, closing the left nostril, and we start inhaling 5 through the right nostril. Close your right nostril, exhale 5 through the left. Inhale 5 through your left. Close the left, exhale 5 through the right. And keep repeating this at your own pace, following the same. Inhale 5, exhale 5. We're gonna do 8 rounds. Two more rounds. After your last round, release your hands onto your knees, observe the sensations. How does it feel? We bring our attention again to below our nostrils, staying there, observing. I bring my breath to my abdomen with my inhale and then to my chest. Exhaling, I let go. Let's do it 5 more times. Inhaling. Last time, take a deep inhale, feel your abdomen and your chest. Exhale, let go. Staying there again, observing, being. In stillness, we find our true nature. And I connect now to my heart, to my breath. And I water the seed that I've planted yesterday with my intention. And I bring gratitude to my practice, to my commitment towards myself, to my breath, to my life. And now as we're gonna inhale, we're gonna take our arms up, inhaling. Little pause of the breath, and as you exhale, you take your hands in front of your heart. Doing that, we bring our mind to our heart. We're going to do this 2 more times, inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And now I invite you to chant with me or listen to me the sound Om, the vibration. So again, connecting through that sound is connecting to everything in me and around me. So let's take a full inhale, inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Om. Second time, inhaling. Om. Last time, opening my heart to receive, to give, inhaling. I bring my hand to my forehead, receiving wisdom. I bring my hands to my mouth, being in harmony, being in truth. I bring my hands to my heart, sending love for myself to everyone. Namaste. So thank you again for being here for your practice today's day 2. And I invite you again to leave a word or two and tell me how you feel today. I see you tomorrow. Take care.